This is job number 34. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you for coming back. If you are new to the channel, on this platform I share with you opportunities that you can apply and work remotely. We are officially on our way to our first 100 subscribers, so please do take a moment and subscribe to the channel. Well, without much waste of your time, let's jump onto today's company. So the company that we are looking at today, it's called LeadIQ. So LeadIQ is a processing platform. So what you need to do next is obviously on this platform, since we focus on looking for opportunities that we can apply, what you wanna do is you want to scroll downwards and then go to careers. And then once you have opened up on careers, you will see this page. Right, it will say view openings. So just before you click on view openings, there is just this information that I want to share with you guys, especially on their what the company is all about. So as you can see, LeadIQ was founded in 2015 with a mission to create a world where every professional has the capability and access to responsibly connect with others. So as they claim, today we are a leader in sales technology with more than 10,000 users, ranging from Fortune 500 companies to unicorn startup, right? So which is a good thing, guys. So as you can see here, they've got more than 100 teammates or rather employees that are working for LeadIQ, and then with more than 20 nationalities. So this is more of a global company, and then it is 100% remote. So this is the major thing that we are mainly interested in. We interested in companies that are looking to employ people who would work remotely, right? And then as of today, they've got more than 10,000 users. So what you want to do next is you come back to view openings, and then once you've done that, you will see that at this stage there currently are 2 openings that they are looking to fill. They've got the sales development representative and a Salesforce administrator. As an example, we are going to choose Salesforce administrator. So what you want to do is you open it, and then when you come to this page, as you can see, they've written the overview of this role. So location, this is a remote job, and then it's full-time and in the sales department. So this is what they are looking for. So the role, so you read through all this, and then the person, that is you now that they are referring to, what you need to have, you must have experience in Salesforce CRM system, right? So that's what they are looking for. And then also the other thing that they are interested in, you must have at least 2 years worth of experience. So that's another thing as well that they are looking for. And then about us, you read through again what they are all about, and then for you to apply, you simply click on the apply there, and then it will take you to this application form. It's pretty much straightforward. You complete your name, your email, phone number, the city that you reside, and then you upload your CV, and then what makes you good fit for this role. So your answer, remember, it has to speak to what they are looking for, and then that way you will be in a better position to be hired. And then you fill all the remaining questions that they have completed, and then what is your salary expectations for this role. Do your research and find out on average how much sales administrators are actually getting paid, in terms of like a Salesforce administrator, how much are they getting paid, and then you can input somewhat like a range, and then your current visa status, and then you select one which is appropriate, and then you click submit. Well guys, we've come to the end of today's video. Let me know if you are going to be applying for this one, or if you know somebody who's got this specific experience and the qualifications. You can feel free to share this video. If you found value in this content, please do like it. Otherwise, before I let you go, this other day I created another similar opportunity where you can apply and work remotely. That opportunity, I will leave the link to it in the description box below. Otherwise, the video to that opportunity, it will pop up just now. Well guys, we've come to the end of this one. I'll see you in the next one. Cheers for now.